Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy soy meme coins. So go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and try to pin down Soy Wallet Mobile. And this is the app that allows you to buy the soy meme coin, right? So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and log in using your account. So I'm gonna use Apple in that case. Okay. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to access the wallet, and from there you're gonna be able to buy NFTs, meme coins, and all that stuff. And I'm gonna hit next, and I love facial recognition, and gonna be able right here to access the wallet. Okay, so basically you can go ahead and buy the amount of soy, say $30, and gonna continue to add your preferred payment method. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.